Hello, Blue Island residents. I hope this message finds you and your family safe and well. We're in a period of steady increase in COVID case positivity, and we'll talk about how these numbers are affecting our region and our businesses in just a moment. First, the numbers. As of October 29th, the number of Blue Island residents who have tested positive for COVID-19 is 1,118, with a total of 11,742 tested. The number of employee positive cases since March is 12. The City of Blue Island is included in the Region 10 of the State of Illinois' COVID Resurgence Mitigation Plan. As of October 24th, our region's positivity rating reached 8%, and shortly thereafter, state health officials announced that our region would be subject to Tier 1 mitigation measures to help slow the spread and rate of infection. These measures took effect at midnight on October 28th and are in place for 2 weeks. They include indoor dining and service at bars and restaurants is prohibited. Outdoor service is permitted. Reservations are required and tables must be at least 6 feet apart. Bars and restaurants must close by 11 p.m. and may reopen no earlier than 6 a.m. the following day. Meetings, social events, and gatherings are restricted to the lesser of 25 guests or 25% capacity. These limitations apply to events that are both inside and outdoors. More information about these measures is available on blueisland.org. Together we can do our part to get to the other side of this as quickly as possible. Wear your masks, wash your hands, and maintain safe social distances from those outside of your household. Please keep our small businesses in mind and patronize them as much as possible. Many are offering takeout and delivery options and are relying on our support to get them through this difficult time. If you visit a business and notice non-compliance with current health and safety guidelines, you may contact the Blue Island Police Department non-emergency number at 708-385-1313 to lodge your concern. Because of the ongoing pandemic, the City of Blue Island will not be observing official trick-or-treating hours this Halloween. Residents are encouraged to continue to practice safe social distancing measures and mask wearing, especially if participating in any celebrations where groups of people might be gathering. As a reminder, the CDC has issued guidance and information on celebrating Halloween and Thanksgiving safely, along with an outline of activities and the level of risk each carries. You can find the links for these and resources at blueisland.org/coronavirus. This page contains resources for residents, seniors, and businesses, including the most recent updates we receive from the health and safety agencies around the region and state. Thank you for your continued support, Blue Island. Be safe and be well.